Hello creative crafty lovely and welcome to my channel. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I'm getting ready for a swap over on Facebook, and this was for bleached tickets, and then you had to alter them to make them look kind of vintagey. This is not my original idea, and I do want to say that I got the tutorial from Shinuki Art. Let me go ahead and show you the tickets that I created. So here is the first set of tickets, and they're kind of like a junk journal also. And these were bright red, and they, when you put bleach on them, they kind of turned into like a yellow, orangey color. So this is what they look like, and I think we're going to probably be using these for like some junk journaling. But these were actually a lot harder to create than when I thought. And then here is another set, and these were tickets from like the Dollar Tree. And I also, what I did here was I went ahead and I put some I used an embossing folder, so that is what they look like on this side. And I actually like the way they turned out more on this side, because you could tell what some of the writing is. Whoops, there it is. And so I really like the way these turned out on this side. But as you can see, it was kind of hard to get all of the colors and not get them like all mucky and stuff, but these do look like they have been out like on the side of the road or something. And then I also used some cardstock, and I used the bleaching method that she did, and then I did some spray on here, and I really did like the way the colored ones turned out. So that is this one right here. And then here, I took the green one again, and I kind of just did the same technique, but I also did embossing on this one, and I love the way this turned out on this side. Look at that bright green, and then all of the colors and stuff. I love this. And then here are two other ones. And like I said, the colors, when you spray them or when you add to them, it can get really mucky, but it is definitely a learning process. And I did put a little bit of gold on it, like I splattered a little bit of gold with a toothbrush. And then this is what they look like on this side. And then here are some more tickets, and these were actually like a really dark purplish, almost like a plum color. So, or an eggplant color, there we go, like an eggplant color. And these I kind of like the way these turned out a little bit more. And as you can see, some of them did get really light. And then I wanted to continue, and I wanted to use some of the acrylic paints that I watered down. And so this is what this looks like. And as you can tell, it gets really mucky, but I'm not done with this. I think I want to continue with this, maybe do some stamps or stuff on it. And on this one, instead of using the bleaching technique, I went ahead and just used some white cardstock. So that's what this looks like. And since I had everything out, I went ahead and I continued using some white cardstock, and I really enjoyed how these turned out. This one not so much. Like I said, I'm going to continue working for that. But I do want to say this is definitely out of my comfort zone. Here are a few more. And whoever does junk journals and does all of this like mixed media with, you know, sprays and stuff, I want to say that they make it look so easy. And there is definitely a learning curve, and it does take time, but I kind of enjoyed this. You know, the one good thing about this is that it is very forgiving, very, very forgiving, and you know, kind of almost anything goes. So this is what I created for the swap that's going to be going out on a Facebook page, and these I think I'm going to keep and use for a junk journal that I have coming up. I think these would be really great to use like some dice on it on stuff, and kind of go with it like a steampunk. So we'll see how that turns out. Once I use these, I will definitely show the project. The tutorial for the bleach tickets is included down in the description below. That way you can go over and give this a try. But like I said, this project is very forgiving. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye!